ETSimonds has successfully served commercial, industrial, governmental, and residential customers since 1946. Constructing the roads you travel, ETSimonds plays a part in getting you to your destination safely each and every day. And that's just what's on the surface. It's the unexpected innovation ETSimonds brings to the mix that makes an environmental impact as well. You wouldn't think that the road beneath your tires would start at a roofing job site, but it does. The average home has about 2.5 to 4 tons of asphalt shingles. The average roofing contractor will tear off at least one roof per week for as many weeks of the year as weather will allow. Now multiply that number by the amount of contractors in your area and the tonnage becomes staggering. But when a roof needs to be replaced, those asphalt shingles don't have to be wasted in overcrowded landfills. It is 100% recyclable, and ETSimonds is doing just that. Welcome to ETSimonds' asphalt shingle recycling program. This is a 3-step process. First, contractors bring in the tear-off shingles from their various job sites and deposit them into one of our holding areas. Then they are tested for asbestos and remain in holding until we get approval that they are asbestos-free. From there, they are moved into the staging area in which we grind them down to a very fine product. We not only get the aggregate out of the shingles, but we also recover the liquid asphalt as well. Recycled asphalt shingles will comprise about 3% of the total hot asphalt mix going onto the new roads. Then the final product is stored here until we ship it to one of our asphalt plants. It is all 100% recyclable and can be recycled again and again. This saves landfill space, lowers the disposal cost to the contractors, and the recycling keeps our costs to a minimum. In return, we pass that savings on to the public or the State of Illinois Department of Transportation. But our recycling efforts don't stop there. We also incorporate ground-up asphalt roads, or roto-mill as we call it, into this same process. This is one of ETSimonds' roto-mill projects. Here, the old asphalt surfaces are ground up by heavy machinery into small material called RAP, or recycled asphalt pavement. As the old asphalt is ground up, it is fed into the back of trucks and hauled to one of our asphalt plants. Once it arrives at our asphalt plants, it is processed and then used in the new hot mix asphalt. At the same time, we also process the recycled asphalt shingles, or RAS. ETSimonds has been using roto-mill since the early 80s. We use anywhere from 10 to 25% recycled materials in most all of our hot mix asphalt projects throughout Southern Illinois. During the screening process, the recyclable material is sifted similar to a sand sifter you would use at the beach. This particular machine has 2 screens in it, so it produces 3 products. One is trapped on the top. That's the oversized, larger material that will not fall through the screen. The material that is trapped in the middle is the coarse size. The remainder falls through the bottom screen, which produces fine material. The products that we use are the 1/2 inch minus, which are the base product that we use and create the most of. Since the coarse material is produced in a smaller amount, we stockpile it and wait until there is a large enough volume to justify us bringing in a crusher and crushing it down. Then the screening process will start all over again. At the asphalt plant, aggregate or rock, which comes from the quarries, are added to a predetermined mix formula or recipe. It is brought down the belts into the dryer where we dry and heat up the material to about 300 degrees. The liquid glue, called asphalt cement or AC, is housed in our storage tanks at about 320 degrees also. The recycled asphalt shingles and pavement are processed and graded into certain sizes, and then the result is blended into this recipe. This recycling process has no adverse effects. It is actually beneficial to the hot mix asphalt out on the road and makes it last longer. The best part is we can recycle these materials again and again and again, so it will stay out of the landfills, fields, and vacant lots. This is a far more environmentally friendly solution and has economical benefits as well. Once the aggregate is dried, it is mixed with recycled material and the asphalt cement, then blended to make the asphalt pavement. This mix is loaded into a truck and hauled out to the asphalt paving job site. This is the final stage of the recycling process, the finished road. Here, the hot mix asphalt containing the RAS from roofs and RAP from the rotomill projects is unloaded into the asphalt paver. Once applied, hot mix asphalt goes through the proper rolling procedure. Finally, it goes through a thorough density and quality check to ensure a long life and safe travel. Here, the materials will remain in the form of a road or lot until the time comes to restart the recycling process, and it will begin its life all over again and again for many years and decades to come.